In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airbnb Voucher. Whether you've received a digital voucher or a physical gift card, the process to add that credit to your Airbnb account is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to tap or click, share what to look for on both the app and the website, and offer a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Airbnb app on your phone or heading to the Airbnb website in your browser. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection so the redemption goes through without hiccups. Once you're in, log into your Airbnb account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, choose Login and follow the prompts. It's important to sign into the account where you want the credit to live, because once the voucher is redeemed, the balance is tied to that account. Next, go to your account area. On the mobile app, you'll find Account at the bottom right of the screen. On the website, click your profile icon and select Account. From there, look for the Payments section. In some layouts, you'll also see a dedicated gift cards option. Either path will take you to the right place. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll. Sometimes it's a little lower in the menu. Now, select Redeem Gift Card. Depending on your region, it might read Redeem a gift card or Redeem a code, but it serves the same purpose. You'll be prompted to enter the voucher details. Carefully type in the voucher code and the PIN exactly as they appear. Watch out for commonly confused characters, like the letter O versus the number 0. If your voucher came in an email, copying and pasting can help prevent typos. After you've entered both the voucher code and the PIN, click Redeem. Give it a moment to process. If the information is correct and the voucher is valid, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the balance has been added to your account. If something doesn't go through, double-check the code, confirm the region and currency match your account, and ensure the voucher hasn't expired or already been used. Once redeemed, your balance is added to your Airbnb account as credit. You can view it anytime by returning to Account and then Payments or Gift Cards. When you book, that credit will automatically appear at checkout and will be applied up to the amount available. If your booking total is higher than your balance, the remainder will be charged to your selected payment method. And that's it. Your Airbnb voucher is now ready to use whenever you are. Enjoy your stay.